Hello there, welcome back to my channel. I think one frustration a lot of people have with their RVs, and there's a simple upgrade to fix this problem, is these locks, the CH751, whatever you want to call them. A lot of them are keyed the same, and you know, you can basically take your key and there's a whole bunch of different RVs out there that have the same key. So there's a simple solution that I found, and I bought these locks off of Amazon, and for 5 locks it was about 60 bucks, and they have this type of lock, and they're all not the same as the guy in the next campsite. So they're all keyed for you, and so all 5 locks that I have are all the same key, and it's a simple upgrade to do. You just basically unscrew these from the back like this. Comes with everything you need in the little bag. Has a self-locking bolt. And what do you call this? I hate when I can't remember the name of things. It's a keeps the screw from backing off. So you basically just take your new lock, slides in like so. Just like that. You take this little guy and it slides in like so. You take this guy, your lock washer, that's what it's called. So done. So now I don't have to worry about somebody from the next campsite coming over and seeing what I got in my drawers. Works great. And they're all keyed the same. Anyhow, hope this helps you in your quest to upgrade your RV. And thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day. See ya.